think that's an important thing to think about. A lot of breweries, and I think a lot of small businesses in general, get caught up on where can I save money? How can I pinch this penny? When what you should really be thinking about is instead of saving, how can we make more income, right? So
Yeah.
we can't save anything if we're not making anything. So instead of cutting shifts, instead of offering less beers, offering cheaper beers, using less hops, why not lean into that? Lean into what you're good at, play to your
Right.
strengths. And
So
back to what we were talking about before, like the honesty of the brand comes from being true to yourself. Like you should the I have good beer, they will come mentality. You will stay in your industrial park with your roll up door forever. Or you can give good service and you can give good beer and you can present it in a way that people are going to enjoy and they're going to want to come back, because it doesn't matter how good the beer is. If the experience sucks, they're not going to come.
I mean, if you had a machine and every $5 bill that you put into it put out $20 back and return it to them, how many $5 bills would you put in?
Yeah.
All of them. So that because we run into that all the time, where they're always a lot of folks. The natural thinking is, especially when you start to hear, hey, there's some talk about recession cutbacks. You see things happening like in big tech where they're doing layoffs, and then hey, we need to be able to claw that back because that's a reflection of where the industry is going. It's not necessarily the case. Especially if you're doing really good business already and you're creating a good product, continuing to reinvest in yourself. That's really where it's a tough spot to be in, but that's really where the courage and the rubber meets the road there of being able to continue to believe in yourself and believe in your brand and reinvest in those things is really so important. But all those things are secondary if you don't have the systems in place so that when you're reinvesting them, that they're going to continue to give you the return that you want. So I think those are the things that we really hear a lot in our conversations. Is sometimes they talk about how they can best be able to save some here and there, but ultimately when we want to have a better conversation, we want to refocus that on how can you be able to take what you already are working with, what's successful, and make it as successful as you can.